Hello friends, and welcome to our second video this week as we look at quick and easy tips in Excel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add or remove cell borders. My name is Mercy Consolata Kello. Let's get started. So to add borders to your cells, so we want to add a border here to the age 22. Just come over to font under the home tab and then choose this icon. Gives you a drop down menu of the different options you can have: bottom border, top, left, right, no borders, all borders, outside borders, thick, and the rest. So say we want to go with the all borders, just choose that, and now if we click away, we can see that a border has been added around that cell value. Now if we want to make the border more visible, we can just come back here and choose thick outside borders, and as you can see, the border is now more visible. You can do what you've done for a single cell here to a row of values. So if you highlight this, you can come over here and choose thick outer borders. You can as well do the same for a column. Just select that and we have borders around it. You can also do it for the entire data set. So you highlight everything and then you come over here, scroll down and select all borders, and you're having all your values having borders now. Next, I'll show you how you can change the line color and line style. So to do that, what you do is come over to the same place here, scroll down, you find line color. Say we want it to appear in red instead of the automatic black. Just select the red, come back here, select a cell, come over here, update this, and then click over here if you want everything to appear in red. So highlight everything and then come over to this and then click on it, and as you can see, the red color is now reflected. So now to remove the formatting you've just applied, come over to all borders, scroll down, and then you can just choose the automatic again. Come here, select a cell, select that, and now you have your data back to the original format. To change the line type, what you do is just come over here, scroll down to line type, then you can choose this or any of your liking, and then once you're back here, you can just click on update, and if we click away now, you can see that the line type here is different. And to change it back to what was, just come back to the same place, scroll down to line style, and then we choose this. If we come back here and select that, we are back with the original. Now say we don't want all these borders existing, just highlight everything, come back here, and then choose no border, and as you can see, you're back to your original data values as they were appearing. So that has been it for this video. If you've enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos as they're released. Thank you and happy learning.